Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are making these spicy soft scones. It's so yummy, it's so soft, crunchy outside and then soft inside. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. It's what they call chop one and chop two. It will not take you more than 10 minutes. You are done with this. It's good for adults, it's good for children, and you can make it and add into their lunch box when they are going to school. You can also take it as breakfast. Guys, if you want to see how this is made, watch this video to the end. Let's start with it. Guys, for our spicy and soft scone, you can see I already have my sifted flour here. So what I'll do now is to add in the baking powder, I'll add in yeast, I'll add in sugar, then I'll add in some chopped onions, I'll add in some hot pepper, and I'll add in some spring onions, I'll add in some salt, then I'll get some garlic, put it in my garlic squasher, and then I'll now squash in the garlic. You can grate it if you want to grate, you can chop it if you want to chop it, but I'm using my garlic squasher for this. Then I'll now bring it out. I'll add in some dry parsley, you can use the fresh one. Then I'll add in butter, then you now combine everything together until the dough is formed. After combining everything, you now start adding lukewarm water until the dough is formed. Just add the water gently. Don't just pour all at once so you don't have a running batter. What you are looking for here is the dough. So guys, you can take your time. Hit the subscribe button, it is free. Follow me, like the button, and then share. This can go with hot chocolate. It's good for lunch boxes. If you want to give it to children, you might add more sugar, but if it's for adults, just add as little sugar as that I added. So just keep on adding the water until the dough is formed, and don't knead it too much. So guys, this is what we are looking for. You can see it is not too strong or too thick. This is what we are looking for. So now your oil should be on the fire getting hot. What I'll do now is to clean the surface, roll out, and they will now fry until they are golden brown. So add some flour on your work surface, get the dough, then just roll out. Don't have to roll it to be so thin. You can see how colorful it is before frying. You now wonder how it's going to look like when it is fried. So see the width we have here. So I'll now cut it. If you have your pizza cutter, use it. If you don't have, use your knife to cut. You can cut it into any shape that you want. Just put some flour on my plate so I can take them to the oil that is already heating up. So this is what we have. The oil is already hot, so we'll just start frying now. So it's time to fry now. You can see the oil is so hot. At some point in time you have to do it. They'll be well okay when they are golden brown. Reduce the heat, if not, the outside will be cooked and the inside will be cooked, so you have to reduce the heat. Guys, I tell you, at this point, all the herbs in this our soft scone is already filling my kitchen. Back then, we used to enjoy this soft scone as breakfast. You can take it as breakfast, you can take it as a snack. It's good for adults and it's good for kids. And why I like this is that it doesn't take much of a time. You can make this within the next 5 or 10 minutes and then you are good to go. And it's so delicious. You can see how it's popping. That's why it is called the soft scone. But you can give it any name you want to. Give it my children, we call it the soft spicy scone. So guys, you can see how the scones look like now. They are golden brown, and I'll bring them out. Get your paper towel, put them in there so you can take out the excess oil. You can see it's so easy and it's so fast to make. And guys, this is what we have. Oh boy! You can see how it is looking inside. Different colors, red, maybe this is what we have. And it's so yummy. It is so delicious. Guys, try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.